So, Mr. Ahmed could not join for since. So, I will just quickly take you through this presentation. Next slide. So, essentially, KK Plastic Waste is an organization established in 1996, and it is in the business of providing plastic waste which can be used for construction of roads. So the organization is not into building roads, but they provide a blend which can be added in the material used for road construction, and therefore all it requires for municipalities is during the road construction tender process, they should include one sentence saying that it will be preferable if you use a recyclable material as one of the raw materials for construction of the road. They have implemented this in Bangalore and Mysore and various other places, and they have received several awards for this innovation. Next, please. I won't be able to do a great job. Chari, you can please chip in. But these are samples or is a description. It is a polymer blend made out of plastic carry bags and packing material, and they will tie up for collection of the plastic waste. It's cheaper than all the bitumen modifiers. It's a permanent solution for plastic waste menace, and they are the only recyclers in the market who offer up to ₹6 per kg of non-recyclable plastic carry bags, and thereby providing additional income of 1,500 to 2,000 per sanitation per month per sanitation workers. So while it is the city can always segregate and give, they can also establish a process and so that they can collect the plastic waste. And this is a perfect solution for dealing with the single-use plastics. And you can see examples of the roads that they have that have the material from KK Plastics. Next slide. Next slide. Professor Chari, the previous slide where there is some element of costing, would you have any idea about whether it is the...
Yeah, can you go back? I mean, basically, he could not join, so we need not do the presentation on their behalf, but it's all right. So basically, friends, this is a known fact to all of us that, and this is not something new. India is a thought leader, and KK Plastics is one of those thought leaders where the waste is used as an additive to the road laying activity. All it requires is municipal support, and the entrepreneurs are available to incentivize the waste pickers to pick the waste, again to pay them for collecting the waste, and then they are going to convert into a blended material which can be used for road laying activity. It requires certain amount of contractual changes. It requires certain amount of leadership at the municipal level so that all your city roads can be nicely blended with plastic waste. There's a lot of experience, a lot of testing has been done in the past. IITs got involved in this, Road Research Corporation got into this, and everybody recommended that city roads, including the highways, can be built with the plastics material which is processed and blended with the road material. So I think that's what the KK Plastics Waste Management Limited is doing. Their contact details are available, and any city who's interested or any individuals interested in this, they can reach out to them. Thank you very much. I think